Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this week I have a plan with me video and we're going to be planning from the 18th to the 24th of June. And this week I'm going to be using this kit from Scribble Print, sorry, not Scribble Prints, from Chic Blossom Prints. And I'm pretty sure I got this on one of the sales, but I can't remember which one it is. Not the Planner Boss, but I think the Ultimate Planner Sale or something like that. Well, anyway, so let me show you this kit. I chose this kit because this week is the beginning of summer officially. I know a lot of us like to use the Memorial Day weekend as the beginning of summer. I like to think so because that's when it really starts getting hot here in Delaware. I feel like it's more spring than summer right now, but I'm hoping that it starts warming up. Not warming up so much in the sense that it's cold, but I like the heat, and personally it's still probably like 70s here, so I'm hoping that it warms up soon. Well, anyway, so let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to show you this kit. Here are the glitter headers. One thing I like about Chic Blossom Prints is that they provide, or she provides, a lot of sticker sheets and a lot of things to work with in her kits, especially for the price. And this is on matte paper. So here is the glitter header. And then this is all of the heart flags, some appointment labels, some flags up here, some icons, your habit trackers, your bill dues. I think I'm going to use this full box here for my quote box there. And then you have some labels, some more icons. And then this is all of the pretty half boxes. I love the decor on the half boxes. And on the stackable washi, then you have some appointment labels, not appointment labels, but some quarter boxes, some more flags, the smaller flags for the old Erin Condren, if you still use them, some scallop labels, your Monday through Sunday habit tracker, and then you have some small icons here. Then here you have the bottom washi, your day covers, your date dots, some more stackable washi, and some bow labels here. And then here are the gorgeous full boxes. This one says Sandy Toes and Salty Kisses, which I think is really cute. Some glitter half boxes here. And then you have your washi. I think these flags here are for washi if you want to use that. And then you have all of your little things, your headers, some 3 heart flags there, and some more appointment labels down here. Your ombre heart checklist, some more stackable washi. So in this kit, and I can't remember the price, but if I can find it, I will put it down in the description below. But you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, and then you have your glitter headers as well. So I'm going to do as I usually do. I'm going to go ahead and lay down all of the base. I'll speed that up, and then I will be back for the pre-planning. Sorry guys, I was not recording. So let me get back to what I was saying. Let me zoom you out a little bit. Never mind my stickers here on the side. So I went ahead and put everything down. As you can see, I did use this full box here. This is Summer State of Mind, and I think it's perfect for the first week of, official week of summer. And I really do like these pinks and blues together. So just to kind of spin you up a little bit on what I already did, I put down this coffee cup for Coffee Monday. I put down this quarter label with the upload munchkin from Once More with Love. And then I put down this little thing with the asterisk for an appointment that I have in the afternoon. And my battery is getting ready to die, so I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible so that way I don't have to come back later. And then I did put down the scalloped label here with the coffee emoji because I have a breakfast with my fellow first sergeants. It's an opportunity to meet a new member in our legal team. So that's that. Let me zoom you back in a little bit. All right, so Tuesday I do have a lunch with I'm about to have a new supervisor here soon. So I'm going to use a half box. Not a half box. Actually, I'm going to use this quarter label here, this vertical stripe quarter label, and we'll put this right down here because I'm not particularly sure what else I have going on. So I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to use, do we have a meal icon? I don't think so. All right, I'll figure out something later to put there. And then that is it for Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, you guys all know, is trash day. So I'm going to use this girl from Sticker Fever, taking out the trash. And we'll overlap that over the glitter label, the glitter header. And then we do have laundry as well. So I'm going to put that down here because typically we do it in the evenings when I come home on Wednesdays. All right, and that is it for Wednesday. So let's go ahead and get into Thursday. Thursday, the only thing I really have pre-planned for Thursday is my first sergeant meeting. So I'm going to use the scallop label, and we'll put that right here at the top. And that is a reoccurring meeting. And then what I'm going to do is use these glasses here to kind of annotate that. And then I believe that is it for Thursday. And then Friday, we have, my husband and I have a going away for one of our, for someone in our base. So I'm gonna put that up, actually down here at the bottom because it is in the evening. And come on. And then I'm going to use for the first time this Make-A-Wish sticker and from Munchkin from Once More with Love. And I'm going to use that because I'm going to use it not so much as Make-A-Wish, but well wishes for our friend that's leaving on his new on his journey, on his new job. And we'll put that down there. And that is it for Friday. And then on Saturday, we typically like to do something as a family. So I'm going to take this, actually, do we have any stackable washi? Let's see. Yep, I'm going to use this right here. And we'll put that right there because I don't particularly like the white space behind the movie marquee. Did I put that down right? I don't think so. All right, and then we'll just put that right down here. And then on Sunday, as you guys know, I usually do grocery shopping first thing in the morning. So I'm going to put this emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. with a grocery cart. And then we usually clean after, so I'm going to use this daisy from the Fox and Cactus. And I usually put that right down here. So that is it. Oh, I almost forgot the weekend banner. And I'm going to take that and put it right. Actually, I'm going to put that right down on this weekend, or this, I don't want to overlap it on the Simply Gilded washi. I don't know why, but I don't really like doing that. So I'm just going to put it right over the washi that came with the kit. And there you go. So let me zoom you out real quick. That way you can see the full spread. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this plan with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.